If your Toyota RAV4 won't start, don't panic. Let's walk through the most common culprits to get you back on the road. Statistically, over 70% of no-start issues on modern SUVs trace back to a dead battery or loose terminal connections. Before you call a tow truck, we need to run a quick diagnostic process. Start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring they are tight, then look at your dash lights for signs of power. Beyond the battery, check for a failed starter motor or a blown ignition fuse that might be cutting power to the engine. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you might be looking at a fuel pump failure or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. Cleaning terminals or a jump start are great DIY steps, but internal fuel system work is best left to the professionals. As you can see, costs vary wildly depending on whether you are dealing with a simple battery swap or a complex fuel pump replacement. For deeper issues, use an OBD-I scanner to pull codes and a multimeter to verify if your charging system is doing its job. Always keep a basic socket set, a reliable multimeter, and an entry-level code scanner in your RAV4 for emergencies like this. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components under the hood. If this helped you diagnose your RAV4, hit that like button and subscribe for more maintenance tips to keep your car running.